Good morning. My name is Madagari Tirupati. Roll number 17951A0398. I am from mechanical branch. Uh, Subject energy from waste. And today my topic is e-waste responsibilities of the government. Means what are the responsibilities taken by the government to control the e-waste, and what are the measures is taken by the government to control the e-waste. Let us see, first of all, what is the full form of e-waste. The full form of e-waste is electronic waste or electrical waste. The e-waste can be valuable source of secondary sources such as precious and rare earth metals. The government is in process of developing recovery and recycling strategies to utilize the e-waste generated in the country. The e-waste can be valuable source of secondary sources such as precious and rare earth metals. The e-waste can be valuable source of secondary resources such as precious and rare earth metals. By destroying the e-waste, we can generate few um, metals which are more valuable, like and mercury and lead. Like this, some few metals can be obtained by trusting them with the NSW government supports the National Television and Computer Recycling Scheme. This scheme involves a combination of government regulation and industry action to take responsibility for collection and recycling of waste televisions, computers, printers, and computer products. The NSW government um, This scheme involves a combination of government regulation and industry action to take responsibility for collection and recycling of waste televisions, computers, and printers. Uh, Few products are produced by recycling the old ones, and it is being encouraged by the government to control the e-waste. The Ministry of Environment and Forest is implementing a scheme to provide financial assistance for setting up the of treatment, disposal, and storage facility for hazardous and integrated recycling facilities for e-waste on public-private partnership mode. The environmental related uh, ministry and forest related ministry is implementing a scheme and giving a financial support for setting up a recycling for setting up a recycling unit and for disposal unit for controlling the e-waste. The NSW government supports the National Television and Computer Recycling Scheme. This scheme involves a combination of government regulation and industry action to take responsibility for collection and recycling of waste televisions, computers, printers. The NSW government supports the National Television and Computer Recycling Scheme. The scheme uh, involves in the collection of old computer items or televisions and recycling it mainly by using uh, three R's. The EVST is managed, refurbish, redesign, and repurpose. By using these three R's, the e-waste is being controlled nowadays efficiently. Mainly, the e-waste can be controlled by these R's only: redesign, repurpose, refurbish. Thank you.